Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you a quick tutorial on how to transfer your crypto from Pionex App to your MEXC account. By the way, if you haven't signed up on MEXC Global, please check the video description for the sign up link to register and get up to 1000 USDT as a beginner's rewards claim. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your Pionex app and tap the Account tab. Here, you will see your total balance, and under you will see Deposit, Buy Crypto, Withdraw, Crypto Box, and Transfer buttons. To transfer crypto into another wallet, you click on the Withdraw button. Select the crypto you want to withdraw. Let me pick USDT. Here, you paste your external deposit address. Now, go to your MEXC account and make sure you select the same crypto, which is USDT. Select the network you want to use. Let me pick BNB Smart Chain. Copy your deposit address, then go back to your Pionex app and paste your deposit address here from MEXC app. Select the same network, which is BNB Smart Chain. Input the amount of withdrawal. Please confirm that your withdrawal address is on the BEP20 chain network. If not, your funds will be missing and cannot be found. If you are not sure about the chain information, please contact the support team of your target wallet or exchange. Tap Confirm. The fee under BNB Smart Chain is cheap and is only 0.5 USDT. Click Confirm. Enter the verification code to complete the transaction. Then Pionex will ask you some questions regarding your withdrawal purpose. Just hit Submit and view withdrawal history.
A few inches later.
After a few minutes, I received a notification from Pionex app that my withdrawal had been completed. I also checked my MEXC account and it's already reflecting on my balance. That's how you transfer crypto from Pionex app to MEXC Global. If you have questions, feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. I'll see you in my next video.